If only I found out this skin lightening tip I'm about to share with you in today's video, I wouldn't have fallen victim of a lot of reactions I got while using lightening body lotion, like green veins, like redness on the skin, like skin sensitivity, sunburn, white spots, white patches, due to the use of lightening cream, and even stretch mark for those of you that have stretch mark. This tip is going to save you. Now, if you are new to lightening creams, you are just starting your skincare routine, like you're just starting to use lightening products, you want to lighten up your skin. Thank your stars for actually seeing this video and clicking on this video to actually watch this video, because I'm going to be sharing with you my experience, what I've learned, how to use lightening body lotion on your face and on your body to make sure that you don't get any reaction from using a lightening body lotion. Now, first of all, before we start talking about this thing, I want to specify that there are different types of lightening body lotions. There are different grades of lightening body lotions. There are different ingredients used in lightening body lotions. So you need to get knowledge. You need to know a lot of things about lightening body lotion before just walking into a store and asking whoever is selling, I need a good lightening body lotion, and the person will just go and pick one thing and give you. Do you understand? You need to know before you start lightening your skin. It is very, very important. So now, let's assume you have a good lightening body lotion and you started using it, it's giving you green vein, you're seeing stretch mark, white dot, and all of those reactions. Or maybe a face cream, a lightening face cream, is giving you sunburn, it's giving you redness, but this is lightening you the way you want. It's just giving you reactions. This tip I'm going to share with you is going to help to curb that reaction you are experiencing and actually help you to be able to use that product effectively without getting any more reactions on your skin. Okay, now if you are seeing me for the first time, I am Beautiful Jenny, a passionate skincare consultant who is here to make sure that you get a very beautiful skin. You use your products right and actually know your product's ingredients like the back of your hands. Do you understand? So if you are coming across this channel newly, kindly subscribe, leave a comment, and join the family, basically, because here I share everything. I have several videos here on my other channel, and also I offer one-on-one skin consultation. That is, you want me to help to prescribe, to recommend products for you. You want me to help you to arrange your body routine. You can hit me up on WhatsApp for a personal skin consultation. Now, how do you use your lightening? Let me start with the face. You bought a lightening face cream. Before you use that face cream, in fact, as you are going to buy that lightening face cream, I need you to buy another product. Buy a product like this. This is the Cousins Baby Soft and Smooth Lotion. It's either this or something similar. Buy a lightweight. Look at how lightweight this is. This looks like water. Especially for your face, look for something very lightweight. Buy a lightweight product that is suitable for the face. This one can be used on the face. Do you understand? Something very lightweight. If you even see fragrance free, good. Look for a lightweight cream, lotion like, that is very lightweight. You can go for this exact one, or you can ask me for options in the comment section or something you have. If you can use it, you can drop the names in the comment section. I'm going to be replying you and telling you if you can use that one or not. Now, let's say you got something like this. I have another option to show you what, but I'm talking about face now. For face, you need something very, very lightweight for your face. So you have something like this, yeah, and you want to use that your lightening face cream. And make sure, I hope you know, you're watching this video, that you're supposed to use your lightening face creams at night, unless the product you are using is recommended to you to be used in the morning by your skincare experts. There are some of my clients that I recommend a particular product for them and tell them to use it in the morning for a particular space of time, because I know the ingredients they contain, in as much as it says lightening, I know the ingredients it contains is not harmful to be used in a day, and all of those things. That's why I offer this personal skin consultation, because I do a lot of things for you in the background that you are not aware. I just say you use this, this is how you're going to use it, how you're going to use it. So you just save yourself of all the details and just use good products and use it the right way. Do you understand? Now, do not use your lightening products in the night, in the morning. Even if you are going to, even as you are going to use it at night, you still need precaution, because you are still going to wake up in the daytime and go out. Even if you use your sunscreen, these things are very, very necessary that you do. You are going to agree with me that most of you are using a lightening face cream in the night. In the daytime, you are going to use your sunscreen, yet you still get sunburn. So what is happening? That's why this tip is very important. So now you've gotten something like this here. You are going to use this. First of all, you wash your face with soap. Use your face toner. Use your face serum. Okay? Then go in with something like this, just a little. It's your face now, so you don't pack cream on your face to avoid clogging your pores and having breakouts. So very little. very little. Okay, you apply it to your face. See what I'm doing? Apply it to your face and focus on those places that you might have reaction. Like here, this is where most of you have reaction, get sensitivity. So focus on this part of your face while applying. I call this your base cream. While applying your base cream, focus on that place. Put enough cream that place. Allow it to sit for like 1 minute. Let your skin dry. Let it seep into your skin and be the first cream on your skin. Some people are doing this method that I'm telling you, but they are doing it wrong. You just apply your base cream and immediately you carry your face cream and rub. No, you have spoiled it. You have spoiled the process. That's not how to do it. You allow the product, the cream, the first cream you apply, to seep into your skin a little bit. Do you understand? It's just like where you are layering something. Okay, where you are layering. So you first put that first layer. Make sure it balances well. It seeps well before you put another layer. So once it has penetrated better into your skin, you can now go ahead with your lightening face cream. Now, another thing I want you to know when it comes to using lightening products is that the quantity at which you use is also necessary. Any type of products, whether lightening or moisturizing. This cream now, if you are using, there is a way you are going to use this cream. You are going to say, oh, this cream is not moisturizing. It's dry on the skin. There is another way you are still going to use this same cream without adding any other thing. It is going to be moisturizing on your skin. So everything depends on how you are using the product. So if you know that your skin is very sensitive to lightening products, it easily gives you sunburn, burning sensation on your face. Use very little, tiny quantity. And when you are using that lightening product, focus here. Now, are you listening to the instructions? When you are using your base cream, focus on your problem areas, which is usually the round part of your eyes. Okay? When you are not using your lightening cream, mostly people have darkness around, like spots and around their face. Nobody really has dark spots around the eye area. I don't think I've seen that unless in severe cases. When you are not using your lightening products, you focus on these parts of your face here that has a dark spot, or maybe you have like melasma or dark patch. Focus on that place. Then these places now that are not your problem area, you just, when you are finished applying all these places, you now gently apply here. Just dab it. It's okay. You are totally done and you are totally okay. If you use your lightening face cream like this, you will never have sunburn, you never have issues, you never have issues with your skin. Same applies with your body. Okay? Now for the body, you can also use something like this. Let's say your problem is just your body. You are not trying to lighten your face. The complexion of your face is okay, but your body is just dark. Your body is darker than your face. So you can go for something like this. When you use something like this, you are, as in, after having your bath, you first of all apply this all over your body. As I said, give it time. Give it like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Then you will now go in with your lightening body lotion. And also remember, focus on your problem part. If your elbow is your problem, your elbow is dark, focus here. Your knee is dark, focus there. Your knuckles are dark, focus there. Your armpit is dark, focus there. Wherever you are experiencing that darkness of skin, focus your body lotion on those places. And those places that are normal, just lightly pass those places. So that is why a base cream is very important. Because when using your lightening body lotion, you are not using it for moisturizing purposes, you are using it for lightening purposes. So you are going to use this one generously on your skin for moisturizing purposes, and then use this one for just what it is meant to do, lightening. Now the difference is, if this was supposed to lighten your skin in say 2 weeks, because you are using a base cream, it can lighten you in 3 to 4 weeks, but you are sure you are going to get a healthy skin without any reaction, without stretch mark, without green veins. Do you understand? So this is how these things work. Okay, so I believe I've exhausted all my I've said everything the way I want to tell you, and I believe that this video is going to help someone out there and save you skin problem, skin issues, and all of those things. So if you have any more questions, concerns, you can leave them in the comment section. If you want me to personally recommend lightening products for you that are a little bit safe, you can hit me up on WhatsApp. Let's have a personal skin consultation. Okay, so thank you for joining me. Remember to like this video, share this video, and I'm going to see you on the next one.